Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find Wi-Fi settings on MacBook, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So if you do not see the Wi-Fi icon at the top of your screen, you can find it if you go to the system preferences and after that click on the network, and then you can see your Wi-Fi settings. First you can select the location. After that you can find here your network name. You can turn on and off automatically join this network or ask to join personal hotspots, limit IP address tracking, or ask to join new networks. And if you want to show Wi-Fi status in menu bar, you can do it if you turn this option on, and then you can see that at the top of your screen will appear this icon. So this is really helpful because you do not have to go every time to your system preferences and so on. You just click here and you can turn on and off. You can find the networks and so on. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.